Hi, good morning. My name is Jennifer. I, like everybody else watching this probably, considered veneers. I have a stomach condition. I gotten real sick, and I used to have really beautiful teeth. And over the years of throwing up and grinding my teeth on top of that, that's what I'm left with. So when I seen an advertisement for the Pop On Veneers, I went round and round and round about the idea. And finally I said, Merry Christmas, and did something for myself. So this is what they look like. And you can see that I have some missing teeth. So the missing teeth are filled in. They're super easy. And so, thank you, Pop On Veneers, for giving me some confidence back.